Now we are going to derive the one problem using the formula of electrostatic potential energy in your book. Example 1.16. A water molecule has an electric dipole moment of 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 30 centimeter. A sample contains 10 to the power of 22 water molecules with all the dipole moments aligned parallel to the external electric field of magnitude 3 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton Coulomb power minus 1. How much work is required? This is a question. How much work is required to rotate all the water molecules from theta 0 degree to 90 degree? All the water molecules rotate theta to 0 degree to 90 degree. How much work is required? Yes, now we are going to discuss page number 37, example 1.16. Already we have been discussed. Let us consider uniform electric field here. Contain water molecules. Let us consider water molecules ten to the power of 22 water molecules placed in a uniform electric field E parallel to the electric field E, that all the water molecules to rotate theta is equal to 0 degree to 90 degree. How much work is required if you rotate the 0 degree to 90 degree all the water molecules? How much work is required? Already you have the one formula W, that is equal to minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta dash. Here theta dash is the initial angle, theta is the final angle. So you can, using this formula, W is equal to, so given data you can write first dipole moment given the value 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 30 centimeter. Electric field E, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of plus 5 Newton Coulomb power minus 1. So now using the formula, W is equal to minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta dash. Here theta is 90 degree, theta dash is 0 degree. You can substitute the theta value here. W is equal to minus PE cos 90 degree plus PE cos 0 degree. So you know the value of cos 90 0. The term is cancelled. So remaining term we have W is equal to PE. Here cos 0 1. So remaining term W is equal to this work done is you can all the water molecules to rotate theta 0 degree to 90 degree. So you can put the value of W is equal to P. W is equal to P. What the value of P? P that is equal to 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 30 into what is the value of E? 3 into 10 to the power of 5. So P value 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 30. So P value 6.3 into 10 to the power of minus 30. E value 3 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton Coulomb power minus 1. 3 into 10 to the power of plus 5. So W is equal to 18.9 into 10 to the power of minus 25 joules. This is the work done value to rotate all the water molecules from 0 degree to 90 degree. For 10 to the power of 22 water molecules, this work done is for one molecule. All the molecules, how much work is required? So total work done that is equal to 18.9 into 10 to the power of 25 minus 25 into 10 to the power of plus 22. So you will get the total work done value 18.9 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joules. This work done is required. All the molecules rotate the 0 degree to 90 degree. This work done is required for one molecules rotate the 0 degree to 90 degree. This is a very important problem. You can note it. Thank you.